It's not every day that you get genuinely surprised over the technology that you use on a day-to-day basis. And those moments need to be appreciated. And I certainly had one of those today. Gary Wong, who is a product manager on Zoom Docs AI, showed me something today that absolutely blew my mind and is going to change the way I work from this point on. And I just had to show it to you. Over the past few years, AI has enhanced our communication across several different mediums. It started with text and images and audio, and now even video can be leveraging AI. Now, with reasoning models, AI can actually perform deep analytical work that reveals individual and even the group blind spots that exist in projects that we're working on directly from your meeting. In my meetings now, AI can be a true companion that is observing and just eagerly waiting for me to put it to work. Let me show you an example. So here we are inside of a meeting. Let's drag that over and I will open up AI Companion. So now we're inside of this meeting, and AI Companion, who has access to the meeting transcript from this discussion, has access to the large language model behind the scenes, has access, if I wish to pull content from the web, has the ability for me to upload files connected through Google Drive, OneDrive, or just directly from my computer. But one of the things that really impressed me today is the ability to be able to extract out insights that I hadn't even thought about. So in this case, we're going to ask AI Companion, based on the meeting transcript, to identify my blind spots or overlooked issues that could impact the future collaboration of this particular project that we've been working on. I asked AI Companion to highlight those communication gaps, misaligned expectations, and missed opportunities that I should be aware of in order to be able to improve teamwork going forward. I run that prompt, and AI Companion goes to work to identify all the things that I need to be thinking about that I probably missed in context. And here, based on the transcript, AI Companion starts to deliver what those potential blind spots could be. In this case, budget dependencies, program details, timeline management. These are things we just didn't discuss in this particular project meeting. The customer perspective, like we were so focused on our own narrow vision of what this, in this case, loyalty rewards program should be, we really failed to consider the customer's point of view. Now, what I really like is the ability to be able to continue to use that to work on those blind spots. So this is just surfacing what could potentially be an issue and then pulling out some considerations that we need to think through. So let's, for example, work on budget dependencies, right? So let's say, help me come up with some ideas for the budget dependencies discussed above. An AI Companion can use the context from within the transcript, from within the large language model, and even from the web if needed, to be able to pull all that information together to give me some guidance and some coaching and some considerations and some ideas on how we can begin to start addressing these budget contingency plans, right? And as you can see here, some really good ideas in this particular demo environment that we were running here this morning to test this out. So done right, our prompts can help us ultimately facilitate better collective decision making. And group decision making is fundamentally why we even go to meetings, right? We essentially consolidate all the great information we've captured prior to the meeting, and then we effectively communicate those lessons learned, and then we ultimately make decisions and create accountability in those meetings. Your Zoom AI Companion can help not only give you what you know and summarize that meeting, but it can help you surface those important things you don't know or you haven't thought of yet, helping to avoid unnecessary delays, costs, reduce those risks that are associated with things like projects and such, and just simply improve the life of your employees and customers. Thank you.